Hello, in front of me I've got Ultimate Ears Boom Free speaker. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage one touch to start playlist function. In the beginning, make sure that your speaker is connected with smartphone and go to Ultimate Ears Boom app. Go to settings and go to one touch to your playlist. Firstly, make sure that the speaker is turned on. And now, again, tap one touch to your playlist. Now you can select between Apple Music and Amazon Music. Log into your accounts, and then using the gestures, you'll be able to play,
Please make sure your app is running and can access the internet.
you'll be able to play your latest playlist, skip forward and skip backwards. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.